Understanding jury duty advice for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting and important topic, jury duty advice. This is something many English speakers encounter, but it can be a bit confusing, especially for those learning the language. So, let's dive into what this phrase means and why it's significant. Stay tuned to learn more. Jury duty is a civic responsibility in many countries, especially in the United States. It refers to a citizen's legal obligation to serve on a jury when called upon. In a court of law, a jury is a group of people tasked with deciding the outcome of a legal case, based on evidence presented during a trial. Serving on a jury is seen as a way to participate in the justice system and contribute to fair legal processes. The phrase, jury duty advice, generally means guidance or recommendations given to someone who has been selected for jury duty. This advice can cover a range of topics, such as what to expect during the jury selection process, how to prepare for serving on a jury, legal responsibilities and rights as a juror, practical tips, like what to wear or how to manage time. It's important to understand that this advice is meant to help individuals fulfill their jury duty effectively and responsibly. Jury duty is a fundamental part of the legal system in many countries. It ensures that legal trials are fair and that verdicts are not solely decided by judges or legal professionals. Instead, they are decided by a group of peers, ordinary citizens. This helps to uphold the principle of trial by a jury of one's peers, a cornerstone of democratic justice systems. If you're a non-native English speaker and have been called for jury duty, here are some tips to help you. 1. Familiarize yourself with legal terms and phrases. 2. Don't hesitate to ask for clarification if something is not clear. 3. Take notes during the trial to better understand the case. 4. Remember, it's okay to discuss and ask questions with fellow jurors. I hope this video has helped clarify what jury duty advice means and why it's an important aspect of the legal system. Remember, serving on a jury is not just a duty but also a privilege that allows you to play a direct role in the justice system. If you're called for jury duty, embrace the experience with confidence and responsibility. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.